told the officer that poles could be damaged when signs are attached without the consent of the company. Energy sent 2 employees to remove the sign that was 20 feet in the air, and the damages were $500.
So he was hanging
A sign on the utility pole, damaging the utility pole.
really interesting. Okay, Mr. Lawrence, just don't, you have the right to remain silent. It's a good idea to exercise that right. You need a lawyer to represent you, and a lawyer can help you navigate through this. But if you say something now, whatever you say, she's going to sit there, type it up to try to prove your guilt. So it's just not worth it at this time. You'll have the opportunity to fight your case. Just now's not that time. Do you understand?
Question. Did you say that someone saw me do this? Seen me do this and then I damaged the pole?
Is that what you said?
Yeah, here's the officer observed the white male.
Correct. An officer saw you doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to argue with you.
Yeah.
Just now, like I said, now's not the time to do it. There's evidence out there. There's testimony. There may be video. There's all kinds of stuff now and today. So we're going to give you time to hire a lawyer. As it stands now, the only bond condition that I'm going to place on you now is do not put up any more signs while this case is open. You understand?
Yes, sir, I can put the sign up.
Okay. Now's not the time. You need a lawyer. So go out there, start interviewing people. And at some point you'll have a lawyer and the lawyer can help you navigate through this. Now's just not the time. The only thing I'm asking you now, do not pick up any new cases. Don't be a danger to my community. And don't put up any more signs like this, allegedly damaging other poles. Otherwise, it's just not going to go well. If you violate these conditions, I will revoke your bond and I will put you in jail. Do you understand?
I understand.
Great. So I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take a seat in the jury box. I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them, at that point, you will be free to go. All right.
All right, listen.
All right, Judge, page 12, Huerta.
If you don't mind filing those, please. Just, I guess, no new cases and don't put any signs up damaging property. What was the last one?
12, Judge?
This is Ms. Huerta.
Yes.
Ms. Huerta, you're charged with criminal mischief and assault of a family member. You're facing up to, do you speak English, ma'am?
Yes.
You're facing up to a year in jail on the assault. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine on the criminal mischief. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you then.
I'm sorry, give me just a second.
Sure. Take your time. No rush. Yeah.
Want to wing it here.
Yep.
On Monday, July 13th, officer was dispatched to a family disturbance. The officers identified the defendant, Amanda Huerta. She was called, the defendant stated she called her daughter's father. The complainant to ask him for help watching the child. She said they share an 18-month-old daughter, and complainant was not answering calls. She walked to the garage where he lives on the same property, asked him to help, to which she agreed. Defendant stated later, the complainant later entered the mobile home where she lived with their daughter, calling her and her mother a bitch. She told him to give their daughter back. When he refused, she attempted to forcibly remove their daughter from his arms. The complainant then bit her finger, causing pain. Defendant was observed to have lacerations to her left ring finger, which were red and bleeding. Defendant stated she then put her children in the car and left to a nearby store. And it looks like the criminal mischief case is actually an old case. Do you need probable cause from that one?
It looks like it has been found.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it's been found. My only question to you is, she has a prior aggravated assault. She has a prior assault. Now we have another assault and a criminal mischief. Are any of the complaining witnesses have any relation to the older cases? Ms. Huerta, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. This is not a revolving door. If you ever miss court again, I'm going to triple, quadruple, quintuple, maybe 10 times the bond amount. You have missed court already 2 to 3 times. Your criminal mischief is nearly 500 days old. To give you a little perspective, we set cases for trial at 180 days. You will get one setting on this case, and after that, You need to decide what you want to do. At your next setting, it will be a trial setting on this case. You understand me? Number one. Number two, you are not to have any contact with any of the complaining witnesses in either of these cases. And you will get a GPS monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication, and you will be randomly tested. If I find that you use, if I find that you violate these conditions, into jail you go. You understand? The next time your bonds are now at about, what, $5,500? It's just going to go higher and higher and higher. You understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How do you support yourself?
I was doing little crafts and selling.
So how do you support yourself?
I'm self-employed.
How much money are you making on a monthly basis being self-employed, making crafts?
$100, $50.
When is the last time that you've had a real job, full-time, where you paid taxes?
Been on the contract, but I was doing nails. I've been nails
You're not answering my question.
last year.
Okay, it is now time for you to get a job. The people of Harris County don't get to pay for a lawyer for you, and you get to sit at home and play Xbox all day. Do you understand? And I'm now making that a condition of your bond. You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm telling you, I'm going to test you like crazy. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you've done nothing, it's just not going to go very well between us.
The judge, it does not appear that any of the prior complainants are the same as this complainant.
Okay. Don't worry about filing conditions since we're going to have her monitored. I'll have Veronica take care of all the conditions. And then is discovery complete on the mischief? Victoria, do you mind appointing her a lawyer this morning, please? That way we'll give the lawyer one setting on the mischief and then to figure out what they want to do.
It looks like we have a rift that is outstanding on the mischief. I'll prioritize that now.
Yeah, if you don't mind, we'll give them a full 30-day setting, but after that, this is not a revolving door and I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community. If I have to put you in at a high bond, no one's going to lose sleep over it. Do you understand me, Ms. Huerta? I'm not asking much from you.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to have you sign a reset and then we will have you take a seat in the jury box and we'll find you a lawyer, ma'am. Come on.
Ruiz,
So it's just like-
page 21, Judge. Go ahead and sign here. Sorry, go ahead and sit around behind you.
Good morning, Mr. Ruiz. Sir, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Judge, on April 27, 2026, officers responded to 8737 East Tex Freeway. The complainant stated that she went to check on the defendant after receiving some concerning text messages. The complainant reported during a verbal argument, defendant used his car keys to intentionally scratch her vehicle across multiple panels, causing approximately $1,200 damage. Officer observed scratches consistent with complainant's count and a broken key on defendant's hearing with the missing piece located in his pocket. When asked, defendant admitted he had keyed the beginning.
Great. Okay. Mr. Ruiz, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness in this case. If you violate these conditions, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? You are not to be in possession of any weapons as well. We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you sign a reset and we will have you take a seat in the jury box. When you come back here, please have a lawyer. Do you understand? What do you do for a living, Mr. Ruiz? Great. You now had a criminal mischief dismissed not less than a year ago. You have 4 other prior criminal histories. It's now time for you to hire a lawyer. Do you understand? Great. We're going to have bond conditions. Good. If you don't mind filing these bond conditions,
Yes,
please.
Judge, can I let you read something just really quick before we talk about the bond conditions?
Sure.
Go ahead and sign here.
If you could just read the top line of our Oh, sorry, I didn't know if there's any bond conditions that might be helpful for that.
You have a suggestion?
I don't, that's why I'm not sure what would be beneficial. I mean, maybe that's something that Nancy has. Because that's why there's not today, we can talk about that.
I guess let's finish the reins, then we'll talk. I don't know. My only problem also is that he just had a misship.
I completely agree.
The other thing is that, you know, we give you appointed lawyer after appointed lawyer after appointed lawyer after appointed lawyer after appointed lawyer.
To maintain that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just for us to have that conversation today.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Is that it?
Yes, Judge, let me give you a case number from council.
Okay,
2627
sure. Okay.
065.
May I approach on this?
Are you ready?
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Your Honor.
Hey, good morning. Is your client here?
Yes, yes.
You want to bring him up? I need to give you this cause number. It looked like this is off docket.
Yes, it is, Judge. It's a 2B situation.
Just one moment, the system's super slow today. Okay, I'm ready.
It is 262-7065. Great. Thank you so much. Good job.
That's correct.
Rivera, come up. Is he speaking?
He does, Judge.
Good morning, how are you? Good to see you.
Good morning, Mr. Rivera.
Good.
Mr. Rivera, you're charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
I'm sorry. On June 22nd, 2026, officers responded to 1515 Volcom in regards to an assault. Complainant was working at a crosswalk. When he asked the defendant, a valet driver, to move a patient's car closer, complainant got the keys from the patient and then defendant snatched the keys from the complainant, causing the complainant to become agitated by the defendant's actions. Complainant approached the defendant in an aggressive manner, saying, "Don't snatch anything out of my hands." Defendant stated he thought he and the complainant were about to fight, so he pushed the complainant using both hands, open palm to the chest, causing him to fall to the ground. Complainant advised he felt pain on the bottom of his right foot and wishes to press charges.
Okay. Mr. Rivera, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to have any contact with this complaining witness at all. If you do, if you pick up a new case or endanger my community, it's just not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So it looks like no bond has been set on this case. What do you guys think?
Just possession of marijuana conviction.
Well, let me look at prior arrests and history.
Looks like this is a third assault.
Yeah, this one.
I see a second assault. It looks like he had oh, I'm sorry, you're right. No. It looks like he had an AFMP and that was dismissed. So this looks like a second.
So from what I found, Your Honor, the only convictions he has is a possession of marijuana, 0.2 ounces, when he was 18.
Judge, I'd say $2,500 would be appropriate for us.
Judge would ask for $1,000 bond. He's Houston born and raised. Like I said, the only conviction he has is the marijuana. His entire family's here in support, responded. He is gainfully employed. He was employed at the time. It's that job. He's now working at Home Depot on the training program. Leading the flight risk now, leading the community job. So we got for $1,000.
Are you opposed to a PR bond?
I'll leave that to the court, Judge.
Okay, so
I don't think it's particularly egregious as far as
yeah,
that.
Mr. Rivera, I'm going to grant you a PR bond today. I'll set your bond at $2,500, but this isn't a revolving door. You will not get PR bond after PR bond. I'm not asking much. I mean, do you watch the news?
Yes.
Yeah, it sucks. I mean, really, the amount of blood that's on our streets it's just disgusting, you know? We're not asking much, just a little patience goes a long way in this life, you know? really. It's so much can be avoided, so much money is spent on just really. So as a condition of your bond, like I said, don't go back to this place, don't have contact with this person. Bond is set at $2,500. We're going to grant him a PR bond. We will have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign them. We also have bonding paperwork for you to sign. And I think that's it. So for now, I'm going to have you sign a reset. We will have you take a seat in the jury box, wait for someone to call you up, and then we'll have you sign everything. All right. Thanks for part. All right. And then
In both these cases,
Oh, that's good. What's the last thing? I don't know if I can figure that out. Okay, give me just a second. What's up?
hey, did it work out with our guy?
With,
Hi, Gary.
hey, Judge, good morning. With,
Yeah,
which one? Sorry.
last week.
Devin here.
Yeah,
That's the one we like to discuss with you real quickly. Yeah, if
from
you-
last week.
yeah.
We gave him a PR bond, did we not?
No, not him.
Oh, okay. May have been thinking of someone else. Okay.
Devin Pierce is a veteran, Your Honor. He's in the docket this morning. He was on the docket last week a couple of times here. Unfortunately, he was not brought up to court. He has some mental health issues. The Harris County Veteran Services reached out to me there. They have a place for him over at West Oaks. And they just need to, the goal was to have him transported over to Oaks tomorrow, pick him up there. Unfortunately, I thought he was in the Brothers in Arms program. He since then, he's been removed from the Brothers in Arms program to the mental health. I personally want to go there and see him for myself, just to make sure that the Harris County veterans people can transport him.
Will he stay though? Will he stay? Will he?
Well, that's gonna be the other reason why I want to talk with him as well too, because he receives, this is the gentleman that gets 100% disability with VA benefits there. And so he's got to suffer from the post-traumatic stress disorder as well as some other mental health issues there. So I wanted to go lay eyes on him and speak to him myself. I thought that since he'd come up to court, we would have a better sense of, we could, you know.
Do we know why they didn't bring him up? Did he refuse or?
No, I think he's on that mental health course. I don't know what's going on. So that's why I want to go over there myself, just right now.
That's what I was, when we discussed it with Lauren, she agreed to dismiss it, and send him over to this facility. So I think we just want to make sure that he's successfully transferred.
Yeah, I mean, file the paperwork. I'm down.
I've already filed the release instructions, but I guess.
Yeah, I just want to go with.
As long as someone's going to pick him up and take him, because I don't think that he'll go on his own. So yeah, great. I'm down
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much, Your Honor.
for sure. Of course.
So hang tight. Like, we'll just make sure that he's good to go.
Miss Hudson, you ready?
Yes.
Hey, okay. You know, I don't even know if we have prosecutors for a trial anyways. We don't,
Zero idea.
our chief is in trial now.
Yeah, our chief is on trial and our prosecutor's not back until
Y'all know.
Wednesday, I think.
Are you talking about Miss Shaw, right?
Yes.
Thank you. So,
Now, I don't know, it should be just back Thursday. I'm so sorry. I don't know if Credence arranged for coverage for this case.
I can't, she's in the middle of trial. I'm not gonna bug her, man. You know, it's stressful as it is, and who am I to add even more stress on top of
Yeah,
what she's
no, I
doing?
agree.
I mean, really, it's not cool.
Okay.
When we can just how far is she into it? Is she
She
in,
should be.
Are they-
I've been saying she should be done.
no, but I mean, are they in guilt and innocence still,
They
or,
are still in guilt innocence.
Still.
Defense is supposed to be arresting.
wow.
Today, I don't even want to say it out loud because I feel like I've jinxed it.
Obviously, we're not gonna go to trial, so I guess we'll just, can we carry it a week
I
maybe?
was like, maybe carry a week. I feel like she'll be out, worst case scenario, in a couple of days, and then Miss Shaw will be back on Thursday.
Okay, Why don't we regroup on Thursday
Okay.
and figure out where we're at?
Okay.
Because I don't know. We don't even know if she's gonna be out by then anyways. And then Miss Shaw's gonna be getting back. She's not gonna be ready to go. So, but at least we can formulate a plan on how and when to go forward
Yes,
because,
very fair.
yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
so on the trial cases, there's just there are no prosecutors. So we'll just, I guess, carry them till Thursday when everybody's back and then we can figure out a plan on how to go forward and how long to reset them. But, you know, Karina's still on trial and Shaw's gone and
There was one attorney that seemed pretty sure she was going, she was asking about how we do things, picking a panel. And then I said, there are so many cases, I don't even know if they're up there. She said, they told me I didn't.
Was she here earlier today?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's here for someone else and she asked us what we were ready on and we told her that we didn't have the experts on her case, so.
Okay.
That might be my case, Judge. That Alejandro Martinez,
I think they were talking about a sheet.
the 6 cases.
His was ready to be out.
Okay.
So Judge, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to send an email to the attorneys?
Yeah, and I guess just see, let's carry till Thursday. Just everybody's so busy and there's just not enough heads over here. So we'll carry it till Thursday and then we can just make a plan and on how to go forward.
Okay.
Yeah, here I can. Sorry, I'm solo today.
No, you're good, you're good.
What do you
Did you choose over some?
Yeah. Did we talk about this?
Yes. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It was supposed to. Okay, Barney.
2-4. 0-0.
This is the one that he was missing? Yeah, okay.
Judge, on page 8, I forwarded that email to you where the PDO's office wanted to see if we get a point. They've made there was a local resolution. And he's a PDO on the felony. They do a PDO on this. Maybe I speak on.
Is he here now? Or let's talk. I'll talk to him next. Let me, come on, Mr. Leonard.
Hey, Judge, I just heard y'all talking, I'm set for trial tomorrow as well. I overheard maybe some issues with staffing again. We did have a motion for speech trial that we did not else. I'd like to object any kind of reset or roll over or anything like that.
I don't have any prosecutors.
Is Mr. Chair available?
Ask him.
Maybe, I mean, I'd be glad to try anybody. It's just he's in custody and he's been in custody since April and he's.
Bernadette, what do you say?
I think it depends on the case. I think it depends on whether or not we have experts, because it seems like we have experts out in training this week.
No, I don't know if there's really an expert that's is there one?
I've seen email from Ms. Shaw that the expert that was subpoenaed won't be available. But my understanding is the code requires at least requesting an attachment if they've been subpoenaed before there's any motion for continuance filed. I haven't seen any of those. And
Why don't we go on Monday or Tuesday of next week? I'll set you for Monday or Tuesday.
if I can, I think I have to keep my objections for speedy trial stuff.
Sure.
That's what the court's gonna do. But I would like to say again, I speak with my client over the weekend at the jail. He's still open to taking the time served offer. I know this court only wanted Satif. Due to T-Raz, I don't know.
What's his last name again?
Martinez.
Martinez,
Oh, but he's not on the docket today.
No, he's not.
it's 257. He has several cases, but one is 257.
Yeah.
8873.
And I totally understand the logistics. If he was at a custody judge, if he'd be open to a PR bond, we'd have no issue with that.
He has a theft, a failure to ID, a DWI second, a theft, a criminal mischief, and a theft. No, I'm not going to give him a PR bond. But if you want, I'll carry you. I mean, his newest case is from April, so it's not like it's, but if you want, I can prep set you for Tuesday and we'll go on Tuesday.
For next Tuesday?
Yeah.
You already have one.
Who? Is it Joe case? Okay, so this one will take precedence.
Okay, so Tuesday,
It'll be the 28th?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
we'll take it. Please.
Of course, I've seen,
I have one non-disclosure, Judge, that's, in your gift.
Are they unopposed?
I don't know, Judge, I haven't had a chance to look at it.
I spoke with whoever was here earlier, and she said just to approach on it, and she wasn't going to oppose it, but she's not here.
Oh, Karina was here earlier, Judge.
Oh, was she?
Yes. Yeah, she covered her just a little bit.
Got it. What's the last name?
Bledsoe Spivey?
Yes, and was requested and should be Zoom on.
Oh, so she'll be here.
Has she picked up anything else since
She has
this?
not picked up anything since, no, Judge.
Okay.
I don't see the interference as an offense that we would
If you're down, I'm down.
yeah.
Bernadette.
Judge.
I'll grant it for you.
Yes, ma'am. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Hi.
The judge.
Good morning. I know.
We understand the trial situation, so we just wanted to make sure, what it's looking like in the coming week or how we're doing that.
So we just don't have enough prosecutors, so we're happy to reset it and give you a different date, you know?
Yeah, that's fine. I believe we've had 2 continuances in the case already. We don't have a motion for speedy trial or anything, so I guess we don't have an objection, but we were just wondering how far out. you think.
Not far. I mean, maybe 3-4 weeks at the most.
Can you
I
give
guess-
the cause number on it?
Yeah, I can, 257-9698.
257-9698.
Yes, sir. This is on Zaragoza, so I was gonna, I'm approached on Friday asking about, being heard on PC. I wasn't gonna do it because I've already filed a motion to suppress, but I guess if we're.
Right. The problem is I hate doing it and then having to redo it in trial. It really sucks just being duplicitous. So it's happened before and I just, would you be okay with the dispositive?
I just filed a motion to suppress.
Well, I guess both of you.
You don't have a question?
Well, probably not, because I believe the suppression issues that were brought up are actually ripe for trial as well. So
Okay.
they can go to guilt innocence. So we probably wouldn't agree to a dispositive motion to suppress.
Okay. So just pick it 3-4 weeks out. I don't care, whatever you want.
Judge, I'll be picking the jury for that case. Can I get 30 minutes, please?
Sure.
Thanks, Judge. All right, cool.
Hi. Good morning. Happy Monday.
I can give you a copy, but it's not.
Okay. What is it?
It's 262-9955.
Okay. On Smothers.
262.
9955.
Like, I'm here, I got some phone pocket, Judge, we're driving right now.
This is just men bond conditions.
Tell me.
So I believe what I learned is that it's order to have a interlock and a quarter.
I don't remember.
He's not gonna be driving, and we want to sign an affidavit of no driving and just have a quarter.
Okay. Is he here?
He's not here. I'm gonna see.
We need him here to do the affidavit and then I'll agree to you.
Okay.
But we need the affidavit done. I'd like to admonish him so that he understands the consequence of driving because it's an affidavit that he's signing. We don't take it lightly.
Or access to it.
You never know. You never know.
Two DWIs.
Well,
Sorry.
no.
Sorry. Magically had a car. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So yes, but we need him to do the paperwork and then yes.
Okay. And free trial second amendment, they receive confirmation of your interlock or.
Well, we usually give him a week. So
Thank you, Judge.
time is of the essence.
Yeah. I need
Hi.
to visit with. the
Okay.
Yes, sir. Can I see glasses?
Do you need her or me? Both?
Probably both.
Is he on the, he's on the. Okay, wait a minute, maybe it's saying something else. Give me a second. Ah, I don't see it. Okay, let me try this. Give me. Pause number?
260.
I got it, I got it. My eyes can only barely see more than you can. Okay, you're right. Assault family member. Here, Judge, I call up my time for the
Yeah. Is this Solis? All right, come up, Mr. Solis.
Yeah.
Is this a true first?
True first, he was PPI eligible, Judge, but he works offshore, in Indiana. It's gonna be too tough for him.
Okay. All right. Mr. Solis,
He took the smart approach instead of angering the DA's office and the
well,
court.
smart approach is, I guess, relative because understand when you plead guilty, it goes on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. This isn't Target. If you don't like it, you can just return it. Once you plead guilty, it's there forever and this will have consequences on you. I'm telling you now, anything easy in life, when you take a half-assed approach to it, you just get a half-assed result. Same thing with convictions, my friend. This will affect you, whether it's insurance, whether it may be job, whether it may be who knows what the hell, licensing for anything in the future. Are you sure you want to do this? You were giving up the right, well, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you've worked out is 3 days in Harris County Jail to be probated. I'm sorry, with credit for the 1 day that you have done. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. If you're on probation or parole, pleading guilty to this offense may result in the revocation of that probation or parole, resulting in further confinement. Is this what you want to do, Mr. Solis? You want to plead guilty to this offense? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I am going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, sentence you to 3 days in jail, give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I have to suspend your license. I will do it for the minimum, which is 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. And good luck to you, sir. Thanks.
Surcharges away.
Surcharges, yeah, there are court costs still responsible, but yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, who's next?
Brianna Treadwell.
Okay,
This is the young lady that I was appointed to on this past Friday.
Right.
DWI. She picked up a theft
that
case.
case.
And at the time, you seemed inclined to keep her on as long as, she spent the weekend in jail. I've spoken with the DA. I think we've got something that's viable that we can do. The DA says that if she's extended 3 months, take an anti-theft class, documented job seeking attempts I'm going to refer her to Max Social Work for any help she might need. Then after the 3-month period, so that would be December, the DWI probation would be over and the DA would be willing to dismiss their theft case.
Can you bring out Ms. Treadwell, please?
I think, and that, yes, Judge, I was fine with whatever level of extension, but I do think her issue seems to be not having employment. And I think that leads to her DWI.
And I agree with you. So I agree with you. So what we will do is we will extend her for 3 months, but we will have her come back in a month. And I want proof that she has an actual 9 to 5 legitimate tax-paying job. And if she doesn't, then it's very possible another motion gets filed. And we will continue to play this game until she gets an actual J.
And I will dismiss the theft now so that she can continue on probation. And if we have any issues, it can always be refiled.
Great. Just let her
And
know.
I'll refer her to Max Social Work today. So I think she's on holdover in Court 8, and so.
Yeah, they're getting.
Yeah.
Manny, you want to talk to me?
Yes, sir. Real quick, Judge.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Judge, real quick, we have a case on Thursday. And I'll give you the class number. Sean is out of town and I'm by myself and I have a case in Brazoria also.
You want to come earlier?
Well,
Is it a DWI?
It is a DWI second. Are you okay if we come Wednesday?
Yeah, of course.
The only thing I was gonna ask for, if you let me bump it a week to next week.
Hell no. It's a DWI second, but you can come earlier.
Okay, we come Wednesday.
Or he can come by himself. I won't treat him bad, I promise. I mean, no back rubs or anything, but you know.
Okay, I prefer to come early. I'll come Wednesday if you're
Okay, or you can come tomorrow, whatever you want.
All right, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
For sure. A week is just too long without bondage on a second. Good morning, Ms. Treadwell. How's jail? This is what you need to think about. Every time in your mind, you're out in the free world and you start thinking of some kind of shenanigans. If I do this, could it land me in jail? Because the problem is when you go, ain't no one gonna bond you out. So you are stuck like Chuck when you go to jail. And I don't know if it stems to the fact that you have nothing going on. You have no job. I don't know if you have an education, but when people have too much time on their hands, they become self-destructive. You need something to do in this life, whether it's working, whether it's going to school full time. But now, as you can see with the history that you have, the past 2 years have not been very good. You understand? Both the state and your defense lawyer have worked out a screaming deal for you where, and us are reluctant, but we will accept if you make and you get a JOB, a full-time, legitimate 9 to 5 tax-paying job, not something where I'm doing home health care, not something where I'm doing hair, not something where I'm making arts and crafts, a full-time 9 to 5 job. And I am now amending your conditions of your probation to give you 1 month to get a full-time job. And if you do this, the probation will be extended and they will dismiss the theft case for you. But I'm telling you, every time you start to play games, another motion could possibly be filed. And I'm telling you now that I am sick of giving PR bonds. Do you understand? The literal only thing you have to do is stay clean and get a job. You will be back here in 30 days, and I want legitimate proof that you have a job on letterhead from a company so that they can call and verify that you have a job. If you bring something on a bar napkin, it may not go very well between us. Do you understand? Your bond is right now at around nearly $11,000. When bonds get revoked, they tend to go up, not down. Do you understand? Anything you want to add?
No,
or either of you?
I think we've covered it all. She's gonna take the anti-theft class. She's gonna refer her to Max Social Work. She's gonna find a job within the next 30 days, a tax-paying job. And, we're gonna extend it for 3 months.
And I will hold off on the dismissal on the theft until we have that 30 days, so we know for sure
Okay.
we've had a good faith effort.
We're not asking much from you. We just want you to be a productive person in this life so the cycle stops. The last year have been really. Do you understand? Can you get it done? Okay, good luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
So, Veronica, we'll give her a PR bond now on the DWI. And then let's amend the conditions, do that, and then we'll see her back in 30 days. She's got to be back here.
Are we gonna file the dismissal for motion now?
Well, she's got to sign the amended conditions first. So amend it so that she has a job within 30 days, no drugs, no alcohol, no drive. Does she have a license to drive it? Is it eligible?
Do you have is it?
Just because you got a license doesn't mean it's eligible with DPS though.
I paid the fees for the suspensions to be located, and I paid the fee for the interlock.
Okay, you're on probation for this DWI. If you want to drive, you have to first have, great. You need car insurance. You cannot drive without car insurance. And then you also need an interlock. Those are the 3 things that you need. So we need proof of those things. We're not going to take your word for it. So if you want to drive first, you have to get the interlock. Someone has to take you to go get an interlock installed in the car. Then you need car insurance. You can't just drive it to go get an interlock. You're not allowed to drive unless the car has an interlock in it. So if someone has to take you to go get the interlock. You also need insurance in your name. Once you have both of those things and we have proof, at that point, we will let you drive.
Okay.
Sure.
Because I have the portable and I paid the fee for the portable for the fact that I have a portable to be added on my license. So do I need to get both?
Once you have the interlock installed in your car and you're maintaining it, then we can take the portable off. You only need one of the devices. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Treadwell. Good.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Spence. Mr. Strauss. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Thanks for sitting that one.
Sure.
I was in town.
Not a problem. Don't worry about it.
Your Honor, today I got Tyler Smith on document. Just got hired on that yesterday at the DDR judge. I'm told he did do a drug test this morning and that's. He got the drug conditions on July 2nd.
Okay.
Did the drug test on July 9th. He did do a drug test this morning.
Oh.
He was living on the street, Judge, he was on the street. He didn't have a home, he's now stable. Finally has a job.
He tested positive for meth.
He has a job now. He has a place to live.
I'm going to test him twice a week. If I'm not taking him in custody now, he's testing every Monday and he's testing every Thursday. So I know he's not using. I'm sorry. It's the only way that I'm going to do
Too
it.
much work to do once a week,
No, because you could theoretically, the day that you get it, you know, it's only once a week. So you get tested on Monday. I'm going to go get blown Monday night. And then, you know, it's not coming for who knows how long. You know, so that's why it's twice.
And once you see the continuation of negatives, can I approach you on?
At some point, if we see, but I want more than just, I want to see proactivity and then, yes, but we don't have a drug patch. We don't have so many resources. It's just, yeah, we used to have a lot of things, but it's,
Sorry, I'm just trying to think.
no, I know, no. So that's the only way that I know is to actively, physically test them with, when we have this, I have Mondays and Thursdays, so I know they're not using. Yeah, I won't take him into custody today, but he's testing Mondays and Thursdays. That's the only way I'll know. Yeah, so we'll create the order. So he just goes right in at 7 in the morning and he goes in and then he goes out. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. I think about it.
He can't leave though, because needs to sign amended conditions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi, Ms. Henley.
We said he would get a job.
Tell me, how's it going with Mr. Tolliver? How's it going with Mr. Tolliver?
He has not gotten a job yet, he's been applying. And I still want to see evidence.
Okay, I'm gonna set him for another 2 weeks, but he needs to come back here with proof of a ton of applications, and if he doesn't, it's just not to let him know.
Yes.
But I want other than his word.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. Hi, Vic.
Hey, Jeff.
What's up, buddy?
My client was supposed to go on a cruise on Saturday and got arrested at the cruise terminal in Galveston because she has a warrant in 2018 that somebody signed the warrant on in 2018.
Wow.
This woman standing there.
I signed the warrant, so it must be a good one.
Touche. Boy, that's a bummer. You're on the way to get on a cruise ship and you have a warrant.
People in their plane got kicked off the cruise.
Shut the front door.
But their luggage went to the Cayman Islands.
What a kick in the ding ding. Wow. 223, Vic, what was it, 223?
223-7987, Melody Rollins.
Wow. Not only did you not go on a oh my God. For that. Oh my
Oh. Sure, BTI docs already loaded, so.
It's not her, it's Elizabeth.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, she's in the Galveston County Jail, and she's being held at no bond.
It's like my cousin Vinny. What more can you add on this? Wow.
I'm not laughing at her expense. I'm laughing at the.
It's really incredible. But Vic, how on earth would they kick the other people off?
They said you're not welcome to join us. You guys, husband, kids, grandparents, in-laws, get the heck out of here. And they don't even get their money back.
Wow.
That's weird.
Because the wife had an 8-year-old warrant for something that she didn't actually do.
Wow. I mean, look, I'm not gonna argue the merit to the case right here.
I'm not asking you to.
I am gonna say though.
I just
check matches her.
I really, but nevertheless, I find it incredible that they wouldn't.
And the husband told me they traveled internationally, never had any issues coming in and out of Houston, going to Europe, no issues. But
You want me to set you a bond? But, whoa, hold, but I can set you a bond here.
Yes.
And then, that'll lift the, okay. Bernadette, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's the only.
Give me a number though. What?
$1,000.
Oh,
Oh, I was gonna set it for $100.
I was gonna say,
But,
yeah, I think that's fine.
$100 is fine.
and then I'm sure that there's probably an offer on the case now, as it is.
I don't know if there's actually already an offer in there. Usually they have the
If you decide not to.
You
grant
have,
my
I mean,
motion,
they
we'll
just,
try.
they're releasing to you evidence as we speak, a
And I
bunch of
think it's too
medical
late to
records.
still release that evidence. I think it's way too late. I don't think it should come in. I think
Okay.
if it took you 8 months to file it, that 8 months, the state of Texas has possessed this evidence. I don't think anything after it's been filed should be.
I'm not going to set it for name with a Y.
Judge, it's on page 34.
All right. Anything in particular you would like?
Well, I obviously don't speak Arabic and his English is very
You bring him up.
limited. So,
I'm bringing him out.
yeah.
We're bringing him up.
I'm kind of meeting for the bid for, he's been ordered deported. But the state still hasn't dismissed this charge and they indicated to me they don't intend to. So,
So there's one of two ways he can.
either plead or set it for a trial.
Correct.
And I don't know what his position is.
So what we'll do is I can have Miss Attar call the holdover,
Okay.
and then that way you guys can do it over speakerphone. That way you can kind of. I'm going to chat you now, Miss Attar, the phone number to the holdover in the jail. So if you don't mind, when we're done here, calling over there, and then that way they'll put you on speakerphone so you can communicate with the defense lawyer and with the defendant. Okay?
Okay. So,
3199, correct? The last four?
Your Honor, you mean I should call them from my cell phone?
Yes, I'm chatting the phone number now. Please do not repeat it because I'm live streaming.
Okay.
So, but I'm chatting it to you right now. I just sent it to you.
Okay, Your Honor. So, I just want to understand, Your Honor, I should call them and then what else do I need to do?
Well, right when we're done here, if you don't mind, dial the number I just chatted to you, and then you can translate for them.
Okay, so I should call now and then they.
No, not now. We're gonna talk first, and then when we're done here, then you can call over there.
Okay, no problem, Your Honor.
All right. You were Mr. El Yakini. Okay, I need you to translate now, Miss Attar, if you don't mind.
حضرتك اسمك اليقيني صح؟
No.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were, or if I'm correct, this case was initially set for trial.
هذه الجلسة كانت يعني كانت قد حددت للمحاكمة، هل هذا صحيح؟
And it looks like the defendant failed to appear.
ومن الواضح بأن المدعى عليه لم يحضر إلى الجلسة، هل هذا صحيح؟
No.
Were you represented?
مش برسم.
بس انا ما عم بفهم شو عم بيصير انه مين المدعي عليه انا قصدي والجلسه كانت محطوطه للشايب.
Your Honor, I'm not understanding who's the respondent and this.
This is the defendant that's speaking to you.
حضرتك المش مدعى عليه، حضرتك يعني الشخص اللي يشتكي.
ما سمعت الشخص المشتكي.
I cannot hear. He's indicating that he cannot hear me.
Louder.
اوكي. عم بقول انا الشخص المشتكي عليه انا اللي محبوس. الشخص المشتكي مش انا، الشخص المشتكي جوزتي، وانا صار لي هلا 5 شهور محبوس. انا كنت موقف بالايس ديتنشن بالاميجريشن.
My wife was a compliant and I was in detention with ICE for 5 months.
We need to figure out how to go forward with this case.
نحن نريد أن نفهم كيف سوف يعني نمضي قدما بهذه الجلسات.
بدي غير المحامي تبعي وبدي احط محامي جديد من عند بدي غير المحامي تبعي.
I would like to hire a new attorney and change the old attorney.
If that is your wish, I can appoint you a new lawyer.
إذا كانت هذه رغبتك أنا أستطيع أن أضع لك محامي جديد.
Yes.
Regardless, you have an immigration detainer at this time.
بالإضافة أو على الرغم من هذا حضرتك لديك احتجاز من قبل يعني الوزارة الآن.
The state has indicated that they're not going to dismiss this case.
الولاية قد أقرت بأنهم لا يستطيعوا بأن يطلقوا سراحك في هذه القضية.
أنا بدي حول بالكيس لقضية بالآخر أنا ما عملت شيء.
Hold on. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
لديك كامل الحق بأن تكون يعني صامتا لأن أي شيء تقوله في ظل هذه القضية سوف يستخدم ضدك في المحكمة.
I don't want to talk about what happened in the case at this time.
أنا لا أريد أن أتكلم عن ما الذي حدث في هذه القضية الآن.
We just need to know how to go forward.
نحن فقط نريد أن نتعلم أو نرى ما الذي كيف سوف نمضي قدما بهذه القضية.
بدي غير المحامي لأنه ما حضر عني الجلسة وما دفع عني الطريقة الصحيحة وماني مرتاح معه.
I would like to change the attorney because I am not happy with him and because he failed to appear in the court as well.
So understand the 2 ways to resolve this are you can go to trial or accept a plea bargain agreement.
الطريقة الوحيدة التي لديك أو المحازة أمامك الآن لحل هذه القضية هي أن نعقد جلسات للمحاكمة لحل هذه القضية أو تقبل بشروط المحكمة والمحاكمة.
I'll go to trial.
If that is the case, I will need to appoint you a new lawyer and they will need time to prepare.
إذا كان هذا اختيارك سوف أعين لك محامي جديد وسوف أعين جلسة جديدة للمحاكمة.
It could take a month or less. I just don't know.
Whatever, I already made 5 months now for no reason, for nothing. I don't do nothing. 5 months from
Well, hold on. Pick a language.
Okay.
English.
عربي. أنا ما عندي أي مشكلة لأي حالة. أنا already عملت 5 شهور مع ظلم. أنا ما عملت أي شيء. من أول يوم أنا عرفت الستيت بيك اب تشارج بعد 5 شهور عم يقول لي المحامي تبعي إنه الستيت بيك اب تشارج. So أنا ما عندي أي مشكلة. ما عم بدي أعمل شيء أنا بريء.
I have no problem with that. I have not done anything. I am innocent.
Okay. I'm going to appoint you a lawyer today. we need to give them at least a couple weeks for them to prepare to look at the evidence. So we will set it for 2 weeks.
سوف أعين لك محامي اليوم وسوف نحتاج إلى قليل من الوقت على الأقل أسبوعين لكي يروا حيثيات القضية وسوف نعقد الجلسات المحاكمة المقبلة من بعد أسبوعين من اليوم.
What is your position? With
Our position, I didn't know he wanted us to withdraw or be fired until just when you heard it.
Are you okay with this?
I think it's the client's decision and
Okay.
if that's what he wants to do. I'm okay with it.
Okay. So, Ms. Attar, please do not go.
Okay.
It's going to take me a bit to appoint a lawyer, get the lawyer here, and then once they're here, I will let you know to call over there to be able to translate unless he's able to communicate. I don't know.
Okay, Your Honor, no
Okay.
problem. Just to let you, Your Honor, I'm in the chat. I have not seen the number for the place to call. So if you could please just resend the number.
Okay. I'll put it, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Tell me if you see it now. Take a look now.
Yes, I see it now. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Just a
that's it.
second.
Got it. Okay. So we'll be in recess for now.
Okay.
Will you tell him everything that just transpired, please?
يقول لحضرتك بأنه يحتاج القليل من الوقت لكي يعين لك محامي.
اوكي سامع عم بسمعك.
عم بيقول لحضرتك إنه بده شوية وقت ليعين لك محامي وبعد هيك رح نرجع حناخد فرصة هلا.
اوكي.
Okay.
Okay. We'll see you in a bit.
Could I send you a motion to withdraw?
I think that we may have a motion, if you want to look on the tower. Maybe look on the tower, we may have one. Otherwise, then yeah. You ready?
Yes,
Come on.
Hayes, Your Honor, on that fugitive documents.
Who is it?
Hayes.
Hayes. Okay. What's the word?
Defense would like to approach for bond.
Okay.
The state would be opposed.
And so, Your Honor, I wanted to approach on bond, and I did speak to my client and let him know the process and what could happen in asking for the bond. My client informed me that while he's not working, he is on SSI, married with 3 children. They were actually on a road trip headed to visit some family in North Carolina. When they stopped, he was subsequently arrested on some other charge, another PCS charge, I believe. And it was dismissed here. It was dismissed because it was actually someone else's drugs or whatever the case may be. But I just wanted to be open with the court and let you know that there was that case. It was dismissed very quickly. And then, we find out about the warrant out of California now that I guess was released on 5/19. He did let me know he's in SSI, wife does work, has an 18-year-old, an 18-month-old, and a 9-year-old child. They are headed back to California. This obviously put a block on their road trip. But he just saying.
Why are you opposed to any particular reason?
Judge, the defendant has a rap sheet of 23 pages, including at least 4 from my browsing of probation violations. He has another FTA. The warrant right now is out for an FTA in California. We just cannot trust him to go back to prison.
Does he have any other fugitive cases?
He had a previous fugitive case and out of town was dismissed.
How long ago? Here in Harris County?
Yes, that one was probably.
He had a prior fugitive case. It's not going to happen.
And Your Honor,
Sorry.
What I will say is, it looks like it was dismissed. I think it may be something where he actually did go turn himself in.
I don't know. We'd have to look, but maybe the demanding jurisdiction didn't just come pick him up and Harris County released him because I mean, it's really expensive to pick someone up, so a lot of times they just won't.
And I understand that, Your Honor. My biggest thing is the SSI is, that's the bulk of the thing for him and the family. That's our wife and children are getting back and forth.
If I were to set him a bond, it's gonna be probably 5 digits just because of his extensive history and because he's had a prior FTA here in Harris County before. So there's gonna be significant resources so that we know, and so that he knows that we mean business if we set him a bond, because I'm not gonna give him a low bond on a fugitive case where he's got a rap sheet that long in a prior fugitive case.
I understand that if you were to go 5 digits, Judge, I would ask for a $10,000 bond. I do think between him and his wife, he has the ability to make it. Wife and kids are waiting to be able to drive back to California. He's let me know that he will turn himself in. I do understand a rap sheet, and having issues with that, but, knowing that he has had probations and other things, going on, that tells me, even if he's not doing the best or the greatest, we know drugs can be an issue, but that at least tells me that he is somewhat handling his business and doing his best to return to courts.
I mean, if you want, I'll set you a $10,000 bond. Has he waived or has he refused?
He's currently refused.
He's refused, so I mean, he's not earning any time anyways. If you want, I can set you a $10,000 bond. Just, I don't know how much they're gonna require. Probably not just 10%. They're probably gonna want more than that, so just let him know and
Absolutely, I
we'll go from there.
And then, Judge, not on the fugitive case, I did just want to let you know that Miss Green's brother is here in court. I didn't know he was here earlier, but he did appear because he wanted to inform the court that he belongs to the pretrial intoxilant places business because of the issues with the alcohol and things of that nature. It was blowing high for him and his mom too. And they were surprised to hear that Miss Green was in jail. They admitted to him that the machine was messed up. And he appeared to come and inform the court. And I would just like the court to take that into consideration and hopefully at least come down to a $1,500 bond.
No.
She has to enroll in
Mr. Burnett,
classes for this semester.
I've got a lot of stuff to do. I'm not gonna get into this again. I've reduced it to 3,000. That's it, 3,003 or whatever, maybe. I'm not gonna go any lower.
She has to enroll for classes.
Not gonna do it. I'm sure that they can find the resources. I'm sorry, it's just,
Later this week, if I bring somebody.
no, I'm not gonna commit. Just please.
I'm sorry, I have a really hard time hearing.
She
that.
has 3 bond violations. I'm not gonna go lower than $3,000. I'm not gonna get into this with you right now, man. Really. You know what? Do you really want me to hold you in contempt, Mr. Burnett, for being disrespectful?
That's what we're gonna hold me in contempt for being disrespectful.
You're calling me insane. You said that's insane.
That's not calling you insane, Judge, but I do think that.
It's completely disrespectful and you're getting out of hand.
I think it's out of hand to jail people when we know these machines are faulty, Judge, and we know it. We know that that's not accurate. We know that it's impossible for that BAC to jump in that within 45 minutes.
Serenity now. Serenity now. I'm not gonna get into this discussion. Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. It's up to you.
Because, the first one is live anything, yes, high school.
What is it?
Live.
Okay. Anything in particular you want?
Very waived.
Okay. No, we don't need to bring it. If they've already waived, then we're good. We don't need to bring it up.
And then the other one is last name Dickerson.
Who is it?
Dickerson.
Dickerson, okay. Has he waived or anything or? Okay. He has locals?
Oh, I'm on Fusions.
Oh.
I'm just ready.
Got it. Okay, I guess I assumed that you were talking about fugitive cases.
So the first one is Scampering and the Wakefield here in GC.
Okay.
And then this other guy is.
All right, just let me know if you need something.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Ready? Hey, Stuart, what's up, man?
Good morning, I have a document matter,
Which cause number?
260.
Okay.
2910. Last name is Martina, you said that, Martina.
Okay.
It's a logistical question, Judge, reiterating our PTI program on Thursday. PTI is going to require for portable and driving affidavits. Bond conditions currently require interlock on the car.
Once she gets into the program, then it'll basically kill it.
Okay.
And then we'll do the condition will always be there though, as part of the PTI program. She's not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have an interlock though, so.
Correct. I just wanted to be sure she went in, I reached out to PTI directly to say, can she go on the day of? They said it needed to be before.
Yeah,
So
you
is
can't, it's way too busy to try to.
Okay.
Yeah, she's gonna have to do it before. It's too hard to do it the day of.
And I just wanted to make sure that if she does switch it out the day before, she wouldn't technically have an interlock the day of. Is that something before?
As long as she's got the interlock, then or the portable device, then we're happy, because we know she's being monitored.
That's just one, I wanted to make sure.
Do you have the no driving affidavit already?
I don't have it signed, Judge. I was gonna have her sign it in court on Thursday.
Okay, yeah, but I'm making sure you had one, because if not, I was gonna get you.
I do have
Yeah,
all the
okay.
applications. We'll be here executing on Thursday.
Okay,
Thank you.
cool, yes, sir. Hey, what's up, Carson?
Thursday, I have a lot of cases. And gentlemen, I've already negotiated a resolution that is a BTI handshake case. He can't finish the community service by Thursday, the 23rd, I just need 7 to 10 days reset.
I don't know how old the case is. I know that you signed on one where it's like 190 days old when you just signed on. What's the cause number?
260.
Yeah, it's an old case.
0360.
260.
0360.
Because what's been going on is I have a boatload of people that we are setting 2, 3, 4 months just to get 8 hours of community service done, and they don't do squat.
I don't
So
for like 7 days.
I get it, but the problem is if I have already given them 3 resets, I'm not going to continue to do the same thing over and perpetuate. So what I've been doing is if we get to the 190 mark and they haven't done the community service, I've been rolling them day for day to get it done. I don't know about this case. This is one of those cases. I have literally reset this dude over and over. You're with the state, presumably?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, on Mr. Trailer, when did he get the offer to get the community service and whatever done?
This offer was created on June 30th, and it was accepted on June 30th.
I'll give you a week. Okay. But if it's not done within a week, he's gotta be here.
No, I hesitated.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay. I mean, you've had a month, but after that, yeah, okay, for sure then. God, what the flip? What the flip? Really? I mean. I need a vacation. You guys wanna go? Get the hell out of town. Dang. No, I'm so sorry, that sucks. I hope. Mine is 97. She's been in the bed for like 3 years, laying there, just doing nothing. It's just awful. And it sucks. 97, I go there, she with her and but she's still hanging in?
My great grandmother years ago.
I mean, you're that old, really. Yeah.
Judge, we still have some GHJs.
Hey, Liz, we'll do it next. Hi.
You have, cases tomorrow.
And we can't go. We don't have enough prosecutors. So if you want to get, what we've been doing is I think we'll reconvene on Thursday when we have all our prosecutors hopefully back, and then we can try to get a new date at that point. So, no, don't, they don't need to be here. There's no need to have them waste time and just when we know we're not going. So just come back Thursday, let's talk, and we'll figure out a new date when we get our normal guys here. Yeah, okay, thanks, sorry. Of course. Ready?
Judge, yeah,
Come on.
Papa 10, Gonzalez, come on up.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez. Do you have a lawyer today? Get one what? You're trying to get one what? Did you make any attempt to go look for a lawyer yourself? You're not, no. You're not answering my question. Did you make any attempt to talk to any lawyers out there like I asked you to? How many lawyers did you talk to? Huh? Why only 3? If that doesn't work, why didn't you try more? There are probably 50,000 lawyers in Harris County. You talked to, well, really 2, because you already have one. What do you do for a living, Mr. Gonzalez? You don't say. What do you do for work and how much do you make a month?
Not when I started a real job. I do power coding. I make like 600 a week.
So you have 2 jobs though?
Yeah.
So what do you do for the second job?
Power coding.
Okay, so what do you do with the first job?
That's motors.
What kind of money a month do you make with that?
I just started go through the
Can we send them home with an application? Let's give them a week. I'm gonna send you home with an application. I need to know exactly how much money you make a month, all sources, how much money you have at the bank, what kind of cars you have, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs, and then I will take a look to see whether you qualify. In the interim, you can also look for other lawyers. There are tens of thousands of lawyers in Harris County. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask, but it's a matter of you taking the time, making the effort to see what you can and can't do. It's like a shoe or like a car. When you want to go get a car, what do? Do you go to a Ferrari dealership? Do you go to a Porsche? No. You go to something reasonable. It's the same thing with a lawyer. Do you understand? Please.
All right, Judge, next is Papa 15, Lee, come on up.
Hey, Bernadette, we have 3 people that need bond conditions.
We're working on it right now, Judge.
Okay, great.
Just loaded.
Okay.
Just loaded.
Got it.
Rivera, and we're working on the other 2.
Awesome. Okay, thanks.
We've got help now, so.
You're doing great.
And I'm working on a deal.
Okay, cool. Who's the gentleman, Victoria? Lee. Good morning, Mr. Lee. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. Okay, we'll give you more time. When you come back, please have a lawyer. All right, come on.
All right, Judge, bottom of 17, Perez.
Good morning, Mr. Perez. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
Recently, I just, this one, actually, I got into contact with the lawyer, that was sharing this area, so I'm gonna give her a call after this.
So you wait
No, I've been.
till the day of court to really start looking?
I mean, or is just answering, it's just really.
Well, there's 50,000 out there. It's a matter of you finding one, taking the effort. You're right. Some lawyers are truly expensive there, but there's all types, just like a car. You understand? What do you do for a living?
I work with my dad in construction, I work with the so.
Okay, how much money do you make a month?
Depending on how much I.
No. How much money do you make? Okay, and who do you live with? Okay,
Yeah, I see where you're coming from, this is. Yes.
all right.
I'm getting letters in the mail, and it's just a matter of like me.
I'm telling you, in this life, damn near everything is negotiable. It's what kind of sales pitch you put on, it's how much emphasis, it's who you talk to, but really, you can do anything in this life if you put your heart to it.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Well,
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 25, Taylor, come on up.
Judge, real quick, I'm released to you. I think you're gonna discuss some bond conditions. I'm not gonna let you do that.
yeah, do you have,
I don't.
All right.
good morning, Miss Taylor. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. Are you working at this time? What?
And my husband left me, and I'm paying off bills in our house. So, yeah.
Okay.
Quarter 10,000.
So what we'll do is, it's kind of late in the day already, so I'll give you an application. We'll give you a week, just fill it out, come back, and then I'll take a look. I need to know everything about you, whether you own a house, what kind of property you have, what kind of cars you have, how many cars, how much money you have in the bank, and then I'll take a look. If you just try to put zeros and everything, I'm just not gonna believe it, and I'm gonna send it back to you. Just be honest, and then I'll take a look. Okay, man? All right. I gave her an application to come back, so maybe like a week. Sure. Got it, okay.
And then also, if there's a bail order that you print out, you just need to send them out. That's what he said for.
Who's that?
Yes, he just.
Activities?
I didn't bring that up. So you put them out, so you just didn't put them up there.
I'm just.
When you said for.
Okay.
Is it on docket today or not? Oh, that's right. I should have written it down. I didn't write it down. Let me do that now. So for you, 2, 2, 3, 7, 9, 7.
Yes.
Diane.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, what's up?
I have, Shavante. He is in custody. He has his felony pending on August 18th. I think he's gonna plead up there, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not on his felony.
You're only on our case? Do you want to see if there's a global resolution that you can work out maybe, or?
Probably will end up working out. I wanna wait till the felony is resolved. I think he's probably gonna get time served. He's been in jail the whole time.
I mean,
It's over 150.
Yeah, he's got super time served.
I know, Your Honor, but I mean, he was on bond for a minute. Let's put it that
What
way.
are they showing that's happening in the felony? Do you know? Because
It's set for pre-trial compensation.
is
I think
it
they offered him 2 years, equators on it.
okay?
I understand.
So, but at some, I can't just continue to hold it, right? Their newest case, the AFM, is from March. Ours is from November of last year. So I can't just keep holding it. I'll give you the setting, but at some point we got to decide. Because if they set it for trial and it's like 5 months down the road, I can't hold it, you know? But okay, we'll give you after the felony. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you doing?
You too.
Judge, can I approach you on that one issue?
Sure.
What do you think about this for the bond? That's something.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just something to address that.
Yep. So do you mind showing it to? Okay.
Oh, there's not an attorney on it, right? Or did you do it myself?
No, I have not.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Frank.
Sure. Oh, yes. You're good.
Okay. Anything you want to talk about, Victoria?
Bottom of 4, did you grant that one?
Yes. She was unopposed. Bernadette was unopposed.
Bottom of 10. I emailed counsel to Jamon and I haven't received that. Send the defendant no longer.
You sent them today, so let's set it a week.
Page 13 and 14, Jones is a PDR. Counsel here.
20,003 on both.
Rivera? No.
Yeah. Have you heard from Mr. Peden?
No.
So.
Lawrence? His phones are gone.
No, please report your number. When you finish recording, may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Mr. Peden, this is David Fleischer in Court 5. Would you mind giving me a call back? Thank you so much.
Please call me your office, please.
Okay, Victoria, who else?
Bottom of 15, Madison, never checked in.
2501.
Bottom of 16.
25. 2501.
Bottom of 21, did you grant that one?
Yes, Grant.
Okay, Taco 22. Is that the long code picture, council again?
10,002.
Theo?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want us to show bond conditions to Mr. Ruiz, is that correct?
No, it's yeah, and then yeah.
The bond conditions for Mr. Ruiz. Including. And they contact. Yeah.
Good afternoon, Judge Fleischer. I think I might have heard you call my name. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have a off docket matter, but it's sort of
What's your call number?
that 260-1903.
Okay.
Ms. Tillotson was called by a pretrial today to take a urine analysis test.
Of course.
She is working in Austin, Texas. So we wanted to see if we can get permission for her to maybe take a Quest diagnosis test.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you get the cause number? You got it. Okay, we will amend the bond conditions. I'll waive the signature now. So let her know she's got to get it today, though, Mr. Frank. Okay.
Okay, I'll let her know right away.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, bud. And then she gets it to you. You get it to us.
Sure thing. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you too, Judge.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
One more what? Okay. You just finish this real quick.
Why? Okay. And we're supposed to believe it can be the law. Yeah.
Hey.
Let's talk some cases with you.
Sure, of course.
So last Friday when I was out, the JLO left out verbiage on the conditions that was needed as far as due dates.
Add it. You know what it needs.
Okay.
You know what it needs.
And I can waive this appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Your meter pressure, so everyone else off. Look at your report, I think we're not last, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the help, guys.
Okay. Okay, so Miles and Hale said that. Okay. Thank you.
Who did that do the bond reduction on again? What was the name?
Great.
Green. All right, great. Victoria, you ready?
Yes, Judge. For page 16, Miles. Took them in on the 17th, we bonded out. Council, when I sent council emails by, office response. Not back until the 22nd. So do you want to give these bill or?
Is Miles here now?
Okay, yes, Judge. Thank you. Yeah.
I guess same conditions. When Scram. When's he gonna?
Monday.
Okay, so we'll just put him on for that day then.
You're right.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, as long as we're not missing anything up for her. Yeah, that's great.
Miles, come on up. Thank you. All right, go ahead and sign for your reset. Go ahead and stay on it, behind you.
Good morning. Is it Miss Worrell? Ma'am, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 17 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you were not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, you give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. If you're on probation or parole at this time, this can be used to revoke that, resulting in further confinement. You understand? You still want to do this? How do you plead to the assault? Guilty or not guilty? You're facing here, but you've worked out this agreement. You need to understand that by this going on your record, anymore, you'll be facing or possibly facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. All right, good luck to you, man. Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
that's all I have for today.
Have a good time.
And the other misdemeanor case is
Dismissed,
Yeah.
filed, yes.
Victoria, anything else you want to talk about?
Yes, Judge, Nito counties, they want to make some money.
Okay.
Which paper do I need to look at? Taylor, on the job docket, Freeman.
Thank you.
Ruiz, come up, we'll have you sign. Did you get,
Yes.
did you get a lawyer for the,
All of my, all of the case, we help them see if these going to come right on.
who?
Todd, Hines,
Oh.
no answer, Judge.
Um. It's kind of late. You want to roll it to tomorrow and just see request? Can you request it for tomorrow? Okay, I guess let's do that. So, Ms. Attar,
Yes, Your Honor.
we appointed a lawyer, but we can't get a hold of the lawyer. It's kind of late in the day already. We're gonna roll it to tomorrow. We will request you for tomorrow. Because we just don't know if we're gonna get a hold of the lawyer now.
Okay,
So
yeah, no
I don't want
problem.
to just keep you waiting for the sake of waiting.
It's okay, Your Honor. I'm available tomorrow as well. You guys can always request me
Yeah,
back.
okay, we'll do that tomorrow then, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
Absolutely. Have a good day.
You too.
Joe Hart said he's on his way back down so that you can admonish Hayes. So when they bond out, like they're supposed to do what they're supposed to do.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even think about it. I forgot that motion. Get your hands out of your pants, man. You're in a court, dude. What the hell? Has been acting a fool?
No, that's not, very
Judge Dijon said he was gonna Zoom
What?
for, it's jail docket. It's over 400 days old.
Is that one on Taylor?
Yes.
Is it on?
He has a felony pending, which offered 10 to weeks.
Oof.
I expect that's going to be his.
Have they given a time of what?
Let me see.
Oh, man, he has 2 prior intox mans. Oh,
It looks like she was at one point set for trial and now they're doing a coffee bout.
yeah, that's gonna take a long time.
I suspect though, if they're doing a coffee bout, we're gonna have the same issue.
Has he been in jail the whole time? Has Mr. Taylor been in jail the whole time? This case is 416 days old.
2026. He's out at least some point.
Yeah, he has a felony.
No, Mr. Burnett's trying to log on. He needs to come here.
Oh, I did tell him he could Zoom on if he couldn't come in person. But then he looked like he's coming back down.
Judge, I'm on my way down right now.
No, Dijon, yours is just, I'm talking about someone else.
Oh, okay, Judge.
No, you can, Burnett needs to come here.
Oh, okay.
If not, then it's
right here.
I'm here with Mr. Burnett, Judge. We're.
Okay, Mr. Burnett, you need to come down here, please.
I have a plea right here in the 174th, I think.
Okay, then we'll roll it till tomorrow then, okay?
Can we just admonish him? She just emailed and said we could do it on Zoom. I don't think it should sit an extra day in jail.
Okay, then you can come down here, Mr. Burnett, okay?
I had to wait like 40 minutes for her to bring the paperwork, Judge. Can we just admonish him while I'm on Zoom?
Your Honor, he needs to be admonished, but he also needs to get the defendant to sign the case reset form.
You need to be here so he can sign stuff.
Okay, Judge.
Dijon.
You have about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
But I'm leaving in 15, Mr. Burnett. Hey,
Okay.
Dijon.
Yes, sir.
On your guy, this case is 416 days old, man.
I know. So this is what I was trying to do. I was trying to ask the prosecutor if they were going to dismiss because he's not willing to accept the time served offer. He has a felony pending out of the same transaction. He just rejected the felony offer as well. So I don't know if we need to just get a trial date or.
That's what I'm thinking, man, because it's
No problem.
413. We can't just keep holding it, you know?
Yeah, it's no problem. That's what I was just gonna do today. I was just gonna ask for a trial date because he's just keep rejecting the offers.
Yeah, so, and I'm cool with whatever you want. If you want to do maybe like 30 days, give or take.
Yeah, that'll work. I was hoping that his felony case go to trial first, but it doesn't look like they even giving him a felony trial date. So we'll just have to go independent of felony.
Ramona.
Yes, Judge, August the 25th or September 1st.
I would do September 1st.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a great day.
Wait, is that?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, I'm okay with that, Ramona. I mean, if
Okay.
you're, sure. All right, it's done.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Y'all have a
All
great
right,
day.
John, take care, man.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So I'm waiting 10 minutes. If he's not here in 10 minutes, then. Is there anything else you want to talk about? What about this gentleman here?
Oh, he's waiting on me.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Oh, bottom of 24 and top of 45. Put that in there, please.
Did he? So he's not here. Did you talk to Leonard about it? And he said, all right, 5,000. Let me see.
5,002.
I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, 5,002 on both.
Yeah.
Yep. I hit the wrong one. That probable cause. I need to delete it. Sorry.
What did you say?
Nothing. I was talking to her.
Am I lost?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I tried to thank you. I didn't have to have my seat on.
Yeah. Thanks for helping us out. I appreciate it. I've got Miss Peters here as well, just in case, online. Katie's here, just in case.
Oh, that's right, Dave. All right, Ukraine was closing or is closing now, so.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, hopefully.
Have you been watching?
I've been at APA school. I was an APA school.
Is that in Austin?
Yes.
Why do you do it in Austin? Why in Austin?
That's what they've always done.
I know, but why?
TDCAA is there, it's much easier to have to facilitate it. It's fun, I mean, it's a nice team building.
Yeah,
Opportunity
yeah.
for folks to kind of each other a little bit better.
You don't stay there the whole week though, do you? Come on, God.
I actually stay there all week and just make sure everyone makes it back safely.
Mm,
Feel like the mom.
yeah, that's right. That's exactly right.
All right, see you on next.
Have fun.
Thanks for having us. Of course, anytime. A little bit of the and that way it's preferred for rain.
Are you ready? Hey, guys, do you mind bringing? Is it Maze? Hayes.
May we approach?
Yep. Good morning, Mr. Hayes. Pretty good, thanks. So you were wanted out of the state of California, and your lawyers asked for me to, and I've set you a bond. I normally don't do this on second fugitive cases, but you need to understand that I'm not going to do this again, and we're not required to. If you make bond, we give you 2 weeks from the date of your release to make it to turn yourself into California. If you fail to do that, as you already know, you have and we'll have a nationwide warrant for your arrest. I'm going to get you because you can't run forever. This time I will hold you and I'm not going to give you another one. Do you understand? So as Murphy's Law says, what can happen will happen. Do not wait till the last second. I don't care about excuses. As soon as you get out, you need to make it back to California. Where exactly in California?
Also San Luis, Obispo County.
Okay, you understand? Yes, sir. All right.
Also, just remember, I did say that the warrant for California is still stopping me. So that you can't get pulled over, and that means you more than likely will get arrested if you try to fly or anything. So,
Okay.
you will drive.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
For sure. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
And I think that's it. All right, we are done.